Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video we are going to crack a prerequisite for a Superbadge called approval process management Superbadge unit. So this is going to be the prerequisite for another Superbadge, which is nothing but a approval process troubleshooting Superbadge unit. So let's get into a challenge now. So build a disk and approval process is what we are going to crack now. Click on prepare your org. So we are going to take up this challenge now. In order to take this challenge, I am just going to click on launch. For this challenge, we don't need any new kind of developer organization edition or anything. We can just do it in a playground itself. So for my convenience, I am going to split the screen into two parts. So yeah guys, for my convenience I have splitted the screen. So let's type on user and I'm clicking on user here. So once you get a user screen, click on new user. For first name we are going to give it as Alison. And for last name it is Wheeler, and alias as it is auto populated. For mail ID I am going to provide my mail ID, and for username there is one such format given over here, which is your first initial followed by your last name, which is your user's last name, and followed by @ followed by your initial followed by your favorite color and today's date.com. So if you have already done this, in order to prevent our username from overlapping, you can choose different username for this. And for nickname, just copy as it is from your challenge. And for title, Vice President North American Sales. For company, AW Computing. And for department, it is Sales and Salesforce Platform. For role, VP North American Sales. So we are just going to scroll down and uncheck this checkbox. Click on save. So now we are going to create a role. So in quick find, type on role. Click on role. So now click on setup roles. Click on expand all. So under VP North American Sales, we are just going to add role. So for this label I am going to choose as manager, role name as manager, as it is auto updates. So for role name as deployed on reports, manager again, and I'm going to click on save. So again from setup I'm going to type as user, click on users. So now I'm going to create a new user whose name is Courtney, whose last name is Brown, alias is auto populated one. Again give your email ID. For username, same as a previous format. So I'm choosing this one. So again for preventing overlapping, I'm just changing the data over here. And for nickname it is different, which is C Bro. And for title it is manager. Just copy this and paste it over here. For company, AW Computing. For department it is sales. And for user license I'm just going to choose Salesforce Platform. And I'm choosing role as manager, and scroll down uncheck this generate new password and notify user immediately and click on save. So now we are just going to add custom fields. From setup, click on object manager and click on opportunity. So click on fields and relationship. We are going to create a new field and relationship. So now we have to choose number radio button. Click on next. So for field label, we are going to provide as discount percentage, length as 2, again decimal places as 2. For field name, this one is auto populated, so we need not to change anything over there, and click on next. So this is our step 3. Here we are going to check the read only header, scroll down and uncheck the boxes for standard user as well as for system administrator and click on next. And here we are just going to click save and new. Now we are again going to create a custom field. For this I am going to select pick list, click on next. For field label, we have to give it as approval status, and we have to select enter values with each value separated by a new line. For this description, what I am going to do is I'm just going to copy this and paste it over here. This is a text box, not a description. So here we are going to ensure restrict pick list to values defined in value set is selected. Yeah, it is selected, and scroll back. Okay, yeah, everything is correct over there. So now scroll down. Again we have to click next. So this is our step 3. So we are going to do the same which we have done before. So uncheck this too, click on next. Now click on save. So now we are going to create an email template. So for that I am going to click on classic email template in a quick find and select that. So now I am just going to create a new folder. For email template folder, we need to give label as discount request responses. For folder unique name, this is auto populated, and here read and write access. Just scroll down and check whether this radio button, which is this folder, is accessible by all users, is enabled. Scroll down and click on save. So again we are going to choose classic email templates. Here we are going to add new template. Select the text radio button, click next. So for select field type, I'm just going to choose opportunity field. Then for select field, on a full name, and for copy merge field value, it is auto populated one, so we need not worry about that. Available for you, select email template name, discount approved, and unique name, this is also auto populated one. And for encoding, we are going to choose the second option from drop down. For description, you need to copy and paste it over here. For subject, your discount request was approved. For email body, I'm just going to copy all these things and paste it over here, and also this. Paste it and click on save. So now we are going to add a classic email template for discount rejection. So click on new template, again click text and next. For field type, I just need to select opportunity fields. And for select field, we are going to give owner full name. For folder, discount request response, which is already there, available for use, click on it. Email template name will be your discount rejected. Unique name is auto populated, and general US. For description, I'm just going to give used to alert for rejection. For subject, was rejected. And for email body, I'm just going to copy this and paste it over here. Click on save. So now guys, we are going to do one more process over here, which is nothing but, so this is our approver setting part, right? So here we are going to search for a user, click on users. So we need to click on edit next to our name. So scroll down under approver setting. So near to manager lookup, here we are going to select our Courtney Brown name and click on save. So now our challenge is all ready to check. Let's check our challenge now. Yeah guys, we have successfully completed this challenge. So let's go for next step, which is create an approval process. So let's do this. So from setup, I'm just going to choose for approval process and click on that. So from manage approval process, I'm just going to select opportunity. And now we need to click on create new approval process drop down. So click on use standard setup wizard. So process name, I'm going to give it as discount approval process, and unique name is auto populated. So for description, I'm just going to copy this and paste it over here. Click on next. And here we are going to choose criteria are met, and opportunity discount percentage is greater than 0. Click on next. So here we are going to choose manager for approver, and administrator only can edit records during the approval process, and click on next. In step 4, we are just going to leave as it is. and click on next. Here we are just going to select two more field, amount, add, and then discount percentage. Click on add. Now go to our display approval history, select this checkbox, and for security settings just leave as it is and click on next. So now we are going to choose the submitter type as owner. For opportunity owner, yeah. Now we are going to check whether allow submitter to recall approval request is deselected. Yeah, it is. Now click on save and click on I'll do this later, and take me to the approval detail page to review what I have just created, which is second radio button, and click on go. So let's check this challenge now. Yeah guys, we have completed this challenge too, so let's tackle the next challenge. So we just create initial submission actions. So click on approval process and click on discount approval process. From here we are just going to add new from the pick list of initial submission actions. For field update, and give field name as approval status pending, unique name is auto populated, field to update is approval status, and from this specific value pick list we are just going to click as pending and click on save. So here as the next step we are going to create new approval setup and complete the details of our first approval step. For that we are going to click on this new approval setup. For that I'm going to give name as manager, unique name is auto populated. For description I'm just going to copy this and paste it over here. This is actually our step number 1 and we need to click next, and here we are just going to select enter this step if we following the criteria are met, and else approve record. For the field opportunity discount percentage is greater than 15. So click on next. So here leave as it is and deselect this box and click on save. For this I'm just going to click on the third radio button and click on go. Now here under approval steps I'm going to choose new approval step named as VP approval. So let's copy this and unique name is photo populated. For description I'm just going to copy this and paste it over here. Click on next and enter the step if the following criteria are met. Again opportunity discount percentage which is greater than 40. Click on next. Now here we just need to click on automatically assign to approvers. For the user we are just going to click on Alison Wheeler, and here we are just going to select approve or reject based on first response. It is already selected over there, and make sure it is deselected, I mean this checkbox. Perform all rejection action, yeah, it is selected over here. And now we need to save this and click on third radio button, click on go. Now we are going to activate this, click on OK. So let's check this challenge now. Yeah guys, we have completed this challenge, so let's tackle the next step, which is specify final approval and rejection actions. So let's do this. For this, I'm again going to click on approval process and click on discount approval process. Click deactivate. For final approval actions, I'm just going to add new field update, and for name approval status to be approved. Just copy this and paste it over here. For field to update, I'm just going to click on approval status and a specific value as approved. Click on save. So in final approval actions, I'm just going to add new email alert, discount approved, unique name is auto populator. So here click on the lookup. We are going to select classic and discount request response as discount approved, and recipient type as owner for opportunity owner. Click on save. So in final approval actions, we are just going to edit the record lock. Click on unlock the record for editing and save now. Now we are going to set up rejection actions. For that, scroll down and go to final rejection actions, add new field update. So here approval status not approved. So for this, I'm going to just copy and paste it over here, and field to update approval status and not approved. Click on save. We have to save and click on new. If that is not given, no issues, we can go for add new and field update over here and click name as your discount percentage, and field to update is our discount percentage. For this, we are going to give a blank value null. Click on save. So in final rejection action section, we are just going to add new email alert. For description, discount rejected. For unique name, it is auto populator. So for email template, we are just going to choose discount rejected and search for owner, and this is for opportunity owner under selected recipients. Now click on save. Click on activate and OK. So let's check this challenge now. So yeah guys, we have successfully completed all the challenges, which is a prerequisite. We went for approval process management Superbadge unit and approval process troubleshooting Superbadge unit. So see you on next video, and do subscribe to our channel. Until then, bye bye.